Hello students, this is the second video of Geography class 8 chapter 2nd, the population. Okay, in the previous video we have learned about the overpopulation. In this video we are going to discuss about the underpopulation. What is underpopulation? In overpopulation we have learned a country having a more number of people but they have no resources to feed the population. But in this case, this is the condition in which the population is so small, so there are no enough people to utilize the available resources. This is the just opposite to the overpopulation. ओवर में क्या था कि पॉपुलेशन ज्यादा था और रिसोर्सेज कम थे. इसमें क्या है, पॉपुलेशन कम है और रिसोर्सेज ज्यादा, मींस देयर इज नो पीपल टू यूटिलाइज द पॉपुलेशन. ओके, नाउ एग्जांपल इज कनाडा, रशिया एंड नामीबिया. दे आर द कंट्री अंडर द पॉपुलेशन. ओके, नाउ वी थिंक दैट and everyone think that the country having more population is called overpopulation and country having the less population is underpopulation, but it is not absolutely right. Overpopulation and underpopulation depend not on the size of population, it depend on the country resources and ability of the population to utilize the resources. Means how much population is not matter, but the population how to utilize the resources, it is the important. Okay, now it depends upon the skills, awareness, technical knowledge and health of the people. Means overpopulation and underpopulation depends upon the skills, awareness, technical knowledge and health of the people. Okay, now you know healthy people and well trained and skilled people and the very well educated people can utilize the resources properly and it can help in the development of the country and it can contribute to the development of the country. Okay, now the next topic is the impact of overpopulation and impact of the underpopulation. Okay, this is the impact of overpopulation. You know, if we have to live a comfortable life, then we need a job, a resources, water, soil, food, etc. But when there is a large number of people and there is a less resources, then what will happen? First of all, there is a jobless. Means there will be jobless and unemployment. Means people have no employment, no work, and the working people also learn very less amount. Okay, first point. Second is the people are homeless. Means if there is no resources, if there is less resources and the overpopulated country, then there will maybe homeless and the shortage of food. Means food will be shortage. Next, if there is a overpopulation, means people don't get the respective, means proper care. Proper care means there is a lack of good health care and the education. Means if there is a large number of people, there will be lack of education and the lack of the good health care. So the people suffer from ill health and the people are suffering from the ill which are not proper, not well, then they can't develop the skill to utilize the resources. वो अगर बीमार है, उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, तो वो यूटिलाइज जो रिसोर्सेज का यूटिलाइज करने का जो स्किल है वो नहीं सीख पाएगा. नेक्स्ट, द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ will be poor. Quality of life will be poor and people want to leave the country and want to settle in the other places. उस जगह पे अगर सफिशिएंट रिसोर्सेस नहीं है, लोगों को जो नेसेसिटीज है, बेसिक नेसेसिटीज है, वो नहीं मिल पा रहा है, तो क्या करेगा, वो दूसरे कंट्रीज में, दूसरे प्लेस पे शिफ्ट होना चाहेगा. नाउ if there are the overpopulation, the resources will be consumed faster. Resources will consume faster and they can be produced. मीन जितना जल्दी वो खत्म होगा उतना जल्दी प्रोड्यूस नहीं हो पाएगा. So there is a depletion of the resources. Resources will be deplete. Resources will be end, like fresh water, forest, etc. Okay. Next point, there will be a pollution. If there is a large number of population, there will be a pollution of the water, air and the soil due to the unscientific human activities. Unscientific human activities के कारण वहाँ पे pollution बढ़ेगा, soil का, water का, air. Next point is they destroy the habitations of the different species. Different species का जो habitat है means they will destroy the mountains, forests, etc. where they live. This destroy the habitats of the many species. A large scale of deforestation. If the large number of people is there, then it will cut the trees and there will be a deforestation. If there is a deforestation which leads to pollution, ozone depletion and the global warming. This is the main cause. In the previous chapter, I think in the class 7, there is a chapter global warming. In this we have discussed about the how the population affect the global warming. We are destroying the forest, carbon dioxide is increasing on the earth surface, so this lead to the global warming. Okay, now the next topic is the impact of underpopulation. Let's see. Next topic is the impact of underpopulation. What is the impact of underpopulation? First of all, you know there is a very less number of people and there have a large amount of resources that can be unutilized due to the underpopulation. So, see, there will be more than enough resources for all the people to have a good life. Means the people which live in the underpopulated countries have a very good life as compared to the overpopulated countries. There is no employment. In fact, there is a shortage of laborers. So there is a very difficult to manage the industries and etc. Food, water, shelter, health care and the education are available to everyone. But in the overpopulated countries, it is not. Next one is goods and services may be expensive. In the underpopulated country, goods and services may be expensive because production is very low due to the shortage of the labor and the cost of worker hiring is very high. Next, underpopulated countries can easily take the more people to settle them and support them. Underpopulated countries encourage the people which are living in the overpopulated countries encouraged to come in the countries and settle here so that the labor shortage of labor is reduced and the utilization of resources can be put so to use. Okay, means underpopulated countries में जो रिसोर्सेज है वो ज़्यादा होते हैं, पॉपुलेशन कम होते हैं, तो ये यहाँ पे जो लोगों का जो लाइफ है वह क्या होगा, बहुत आरामदायक होगा। मीन्स खाने के लिए, पीने के लिए, रहने के लिए सारी व्यवस्थाएं अच्छी होंगी और यहाँ पे जो कॉस्ट होंगे, मीन्स जो सर्विसेज कॉस्ट होगा, जो प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट होगा वो हाई होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो लेबर है वो कम है तो ज़्यादा पैसे डिमांड करेंगे। ऐसे केस में यहाँ के लोग दूसरे कंट्री के लोगों को इनकरेज करते हैं कि आप मेरे यहाँ आओ और यहाँ पे सेटल हो जाओ। इससे क्या होगा, वहाँ पे लेबर शॉर्टेज ऑफ जो लेबर है वो कम हो जाएगा और वहाँ का जो यूटिलाइजेशन, जो रिसोर्सेज का जो यूटिलाइजेशन है वो अच्छा से हो पाएगा एंड दे विल डेवलप। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द distribution of the population. We will continue in the next video.